Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to another video of our channel. Today in this video, I'm gonna show you how to fix Steam stuck on installing update. So without wasting any more time, let's start our today's video. If Steam is stuck on installing an update, here are some steps you can take to resolve the issue. Basic troubleshooting. Restart Steam. Sometimes simply restarting Steam can resolve the issue. Run as administrator. Right-click on the Steam shortcut and select Run as administrator. Check internet connection. Ensure your internet connection is stable. Advanced fixes. Delete the package folder. Navigate to the Steam installation directory. Delete the package folder. Restart Steam and it will automatically download the necessary files. Clear download cache. Open Steam and go to the settings. Click on downloads and then clear download cache. Now restart Steam and log in again. Flush DNS cache. Open command prompt as an administrator. Type ipconfig/flush DNS and press enter. Edit hosts file. Open Notepad as an administrator. Navigate to C Windows System 32, drivers, etc. and open the hosts file. Add the following line below. Save the file and restart Steam. Disable firewall or antivirus. Temporarily disable your firewall or antivirus software to see if it is blocking Steam updates. So that's it guys, hope you liked this video. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. Till then, bye bye.